Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As Punjab government has launched a crackdown against drug traffickers, today an action is being taken here in the village Talwandi Kala, where city police, Ludhiana police has launched an action against the drug traffickers here in village Talwandi Kala. The house belonged to Shindarpal alias Nika, who is already facing 2 FIRs. So the police today, they are demolishing the house. The demolition drive is being carried out here in village Talwandi Kala. Moreover, the police found that this property has been established on the railway land. So, according to DCP Jaskiranjit Singh Teja, the police have received a complaint from Railway Department regarding 32 houses which are built on the railway land. During investigation, the police found the involvement of some in drug peddling. Following today, the action has been initiated. The demolition drive is being carried out here in village Talwandi Kala. So as you can see, the police have initiated a drive against drug peddlers here in village Talwandi Kala. We are having with us a legal spokesperson from Aam Aadmi Party. So what you want to say about this today's drive?
So this is the people's government for the people, and the Maan government has proved that they have been doing tasks which are for the upliftment of the common public. Initially also, when we came into power, we had seized properties of many drug peddlers which were made from the drug money by them. Near about more than 550 crore rupees of properties have been seized, and more than 450 crores of property are still in pool. So this is the series of events that is being carried out by the Punjab Aam Aadmi Party government against the drug peddlers, because we have been giving a zero tolerance policy against the drugs, and strict action has been taken against the drug peddlers, and moreover strict orders are being passed to the police heads of all the districts that there will be no tolerance against the drugs, and if any person is found in violation of NDPS Act in the territory of any of the police officials, then stern action shall be taken against that police official and his accountability shall be fixed. So this demolition of the properties of the drug peddlers was one thing. Secondly, the demolition was carried out as a joint operation because they have even encroached the government land, and many of the projects were halted for this reason. So this is the series of events that has been carried out throughout Punjab, and more events are going to come in future as well.
In today's drive, how many houses will be demolished?
In today's drive, 2 houses have been demolished. Those are of the history sheeters. Near about one person, Shindarpal, he has 9 NDPS cases pending against him, and he's still in judicial custody. And another offender, Rani, she has 5 cases pending against her, and she is absconding till date. The police will follow the recourse and will arrest her soon. But this is a stern action against those people and a warning against those people who are involved in drug trafficking, who have been disturbing the law and order of Punjab, that Punjab government is not going to spare anyone at any cost.
Bhagwant Mann has given 3 months deadline to make state drug free. What kind of methodology is being this department is working on?
There is a series of events. A 5-member committee of the Punjab cabinet ministers have been formed. This is not just the beginning. Beginning was in the year 2022 when we came into power. From that time since now, we have been unconditionally working against the drug menace. The death toll rate by drug menace has reduced many folds. We have been achieving a good target by controlling the drugs. But the problem is, drugs are not made in Punjab. They are not manufactured in Punjab. We are facing a problem being a border state. They are being transported from the borders. So initially also, you might have covered that events also, because initially also a few days back, Amritsar police has seized a very big heroin quantity of heroin from and Islamabad police station in Amritsar has registered FIR against them. So Punjab police is doing what they want, but the trans-border that has to be controlled by BSF, and the BJP government should also be involved, and they should also take stern action. Only then the Punjab will be saved and our youth will be saved.
So even today we have got an update that Punjab government is going to keep check on the drugs being supplied from the Pakistan by using drone on the border area.
Yeah, that is the part of the plan to control the drug menace. But again saying that BSF is the person who has to control the drug menace through trans-border generation. Because once the BSF has come under taken under over the area of 50 kilometers in Punjab as well. So that is the first prior most duty of the BSF to control the drug menace. Once the drug stops from coming from the borders, then the drug menace in Punjab will come to a halt, because there will be no supply, as such there will be no drug menace in Punjab. Thank you.
ये हमारे रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट ने जो हमारे से एक रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि हम उनकी जो रेलवे की जगह उस पर लोगों ने एनक्रोचमेंट की हुई है, तो उसके तहत हमने उन्हें हेल्प दी है आज, हमारी पुलिस फोर्स जो मुहैया करवाई है। तो उसमें हमने जब वर्कआउट किया तो हमें ये भी पता लगा भी इनमें काफ़ी जो घर हैं वो NDPS का जो काम करते हैं और अपने जो यूथ के बच्चों को गलत रास्ते पे लेके जाते हैं। तो उनमें हमने जो घर देखे हैं उनमें किसी घर के जो एक रानी है उनके खिलाफ 3-4 मुकदमे दर्ज हैं, एक शिंदरपाल है उसके खिलाफ 7-8 मुकदमे दर्ज हैं। तो उनमें एक जो शिंदरपाल है वो जेल में भी है, NDPS में अरेस्ट की हुई है ऑलरेडी। तो फिर हमने जब ये सारा देखा भी सरकारी गवर्नमेंट पे रेलवे की प्रॉपर्टी पे एनक्रोचमेंट भी की हुई है और NDPS का काम भी करते हैं और हमारे यूथ को भी जो ख़राब कर रहे हैं, तो हमने हमारे CP साहब ने तो हमने प्रायोरिटी पे इनको अपनी पुलिस हेल्प दी है और जो ये अपना रेलवे काम कर रही है। उनके लिस्ट के मुताबिक 32 हैं, तो वो अभी उन्होंने शुरू किया है। तो जैसे जैसे वो हमसे हेल्प मांगेंगे हम उनको लॉ के मुताबिक देंगे।
सारे 32 विलेजेस
जो शिंदरपाल है वो जेल में है, जो रानी है वो भागी हुई है।
सारे 32 विलेजेस
ये कुछ पार्ट यहाँ पे है, कुछ राइट साइड पे है, दरिया की उस तरफ। देखो जितनी आज होगी आज करेंगे, जो रहती होगी बाद में करेंगे। मतलब कार्रवाई जो उनकी रिक्वेस्ट की है उन्होंने, हम उसके मुताबिक उनको सिक्योरिटी देंगे।
As Punjab government has launched a crackdown against drug traffickers today, heavy police force has been deployed here. Police has reached with JCB machines here in village Talwandi Kala to take action against drug traffickers. Moreover, the police found that the land of the person whose land is being demolished, whose property is being demolished over here, the property is established on the railway land. So it is an encroachment which is also being removed over here. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.